It's Alistair here from Insurance Edge magazine. Today we're talking about motorcycle and scooter insurance and how technology is changing everything. Now, for a long time you really had two choices: third-party fire and theft or fully comp, and that was fine. But there's a whole new breed of insurtechs like Zego and traditional brokers like MCE who are using technology to change everything. The thing about a leisure motorcycle like the one that's parked behind me is you tend to use it on a day like today, when it's sunny, and when guys like this guy and his Harley are just out for a spin as well, which is wonderful. So there are two types of riders basically. There are commuters, people who are riding 125 scooters, maybe they're doing a delivery job, something like that. And then there are leisure riders, older people, generally guys like me, that's been into it a long time, enthusiasts. And what we'd like is a policy that you can switch on and switch off as regards the PI cover. And that's exactly what's happening. Now, first thing that's interesting is that MCE, who've been in the motorcycle insurance industry a long time, sponsored British Superbikes, got a real affinity with bikers. They're now using AI to automate the underwriting. And what this will do is give them the freedom to introduce pay-as-you-go policies for bikers, so that when it's laid up in the garage over winter, you don't have to pay for the injury, you don't have to pay for the passenger cover, because you're not riding it. It's on sawn, no problem. So that's what's changing the leisure market. And the other thing which Zego and other companies are doing in the pay-as-you-go delivery market is that they're using technology to offer daily pay-per-journey insurance. So you log in via app and you're covered. And that's perfect for anyone that wants to commute on two wheels. And after COVID, that is going to include a lot more people, because really, who wants to use public transport? Well, it's a glorious day. I think I've gone on about motorcycle insurance far too long. So it's time for me to get the helmet on, go for a ride. See you later. There's another really interesting trend in the world of motorcycling, and that is connected machines. Bikes like Ducati's new Multistrada V4, Honda's Africa Twin, you can not just sync your smartphone to it, but the Ducati's got radar front and back. It's got a whole host of features, so you can select different modes as you're riding along, adjust the suspension and so on. And what all these streams of data mean is that manufacturers can remind customers about servicing and get insights into how people actually use their motorcycles. But insurers and brokers can ask their customers to do the same thing, to share that data. And the deal is, you get a personalised, truly unique quote that suits your motorcycling lifestyle. Because one person may go touring across Europe, another person might just do 1,500 miles a year around the roads where they live. And those are two different bikers, even on the same machine.